So hey guys, this side Bhudev and welcome to my 7th tutorial in which we are going to learn about how to create list. So lists are of two types, ordered list and unordered list. So today we are going to define our list. So firstly we are going to open VS Code here. Now just tap on new file. If you don't have any folder created, then go to open folder, and if you have saved a folder on your desktop, then click on this and just tap on this one and just open it. So you can see I have just created a file which name is list.html. So in this we are going to open our meta tags. So just press on shift plus indentation, then tab. So you can see document form here. So we are going to change this to list, lists. Okay. So in general I am recalling you that lists are of two types, ordered list and unordered list. So firstly we are going to execute order list. So in order list we are going to use li tag, which is just a tag for list. Okay. So just close it. It automatically closes. So in li tag I can write anything like item 1, just alt shift plus down key, alt shift plus down key, alt shift plus down key. So this would be item 2, this would be item 3, this would be item 4. So after saving it by Ctrl S, I just opened it with live server. You can see item number 1 will be you can see the points here 1 2 3 4. Okay, so all the namings are in given form: item 1 item 2, item 3, item 4. Now I want to change the styles of order list. Just type here type, okay, and just enter. So you can see different forms here: 1 alphabetical, capital A, small a, and Roman words also here, capital I, small I. So I just tap on any one of here, just Ctrl S से save किया. Thereafter open it to the live server. You can see the different forms. Okay, in general I am going to do this in front of you. Like I have to type small I, just Ctrl S, and you can see small I, long, all again double small I, third and fourth. So these are order list types. Okay, so I just using a ABC format, Ctrl S, A B C D. I also can use capital A format, Ctrl S, capital A B C D. Beyond this I can't use any special character for the representation of data. So our next is unordered list. Just assume what kind of order list will be, like a unordered arrangement of data. It could be that cannot be defined in a sequential form. So I am going to execute here ul tag, which is just used for unordered list, and again li tag, which I have just pasted over the li tag. You can see li item 1, li item 2, li item 3, li item 4. So again item item number 1, item 1, again alt shift plus down key. I just executed 4 5 formats here. Second, what will be this? Okay, this could be the third, this could be the fourth, and Ctrl S. So I see there are 4 dots here in unordered list. So beyond this I can also change the unordered list styles. Like I changed order list type, so it also have a format to change the unordered list styles. It's just a disk style. You can see the dots here. It's DISC, disk. So STYLE, just type here style, and you can say LIST. I just use list style type element here, and here it is showing almost 9 to 10 initial inheritance here. You can see circle, decimal, disk, Georgian, lower alpha, lower Greek, lower Latin. I can use any one of them for the representation of data in arrow list. So just lower Greek, just control S, save it. You can see alpha, beta, gamma, theta here. Now I am going to use disk tag, which I just referred to you in the last few minutes ago. It's just a dotted line. Just here circle, CIRCLE, control S, then you can see a dotted circle here. These do not contain any complete color format. So these are just basic for your file creation to represent a ordered and unordered list. So that's all for today. If you are having interest in my videos, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thereafter we could immerse in any other topics, and that's the 7th tutorial, as you know very well. If you don't have watched my all the tutorials of previous session, do watch my playlist. I also mentioned the playlist in description. So that's all for today, and today I am also using English format for my videos. So rate my English if you are feeling very great by listening my English. So thank you very much, and we will meet in next video. That's all for today. Okay, bye. Jai Hind.